never look so blue. Doesn't matter what I do, no matter what you say. Sometimes I'm alone, stare out my window and the moon I see so close tonight. But you've been so hard to touch. Start about you way too much. This is so weird. At work, I wear like a headband so my fringe doesn't go in my face, and now my like fringe has grown out and I've not realised until now, because I don't ever style my hair outside of work, but like I said, when I'm at work I wear a headband. So I'm not using my microphone today, the one that I usually plug into my laptop, because I just want to see how good the audio is on this phone. So if you could let me know if this audio is fine, or if you do want me to have my microphone, again, that's completely okay. Just let me know down below in the comments, because I'm not really sure. I mean, I literally did 5 videos in a row this year and didn't realise that my microphone wasn't actually plugged into my audio. So I was basically just using my phone audio anyway, and I just edited it in and it took the... Speaking of my phone, if you can't already tell, I have a new one. I was using my iPhone XS Max, the one that I've always filmed my YouTube videos on. I had that for around 7 years, and the only thing wrong with it was it has a little crack in the corner. But it didn't have enough storage. If you've been here since the beginning of my channel, you would understand how frustrating that is, because I deleted a lot of videos, I gave up on a lot of videos because of my storage. And yeah, this has like 10 times the amount of storage, and obviously it's a model that's 7 years newer than my other one, so the camera quality is absolutely insane. Like, this is the front camera and you can see every little pore. My smile line's terrible, but yeah, the camera's obviously a lot nicer, a lot crisper, a lot cleaner. It's a lot wider, and it makes my face not look really bad as in like lighting, so I actually look kind of even. But it also shows off how truly pale I am. I feel like my other phone kind of warmed up my skin a little bit, but no, I am a pale galley, so yeah. Please bear with me, it's really weird seeing myself this high quality, I guess. God knows what the back camera looks like, it's a bit even worse. But yeah, also Beetlejuice nails. Beetlejuice, beard on, save the letter. Whee! They look so cute. They're the Primark ones. £3.50 they were charging for these, but these are actually 3D. Meow. I also need to stop meowing, but let's get into it. I'm just yapping. Hello everyone, and welcome back to the YouTube channel. How are you? I hope you're all doing well. I am so excited for today's video. Not just the fact that we're having a new phone to film on and it's going to be great not having to worry about storage, not just because I haven't uploaded in a month, but the actual premise of this video, very excited to get going and starting and rearing and ready to go. So, me and Maya are going to see the Driver era at the end of the month. I'm going to see my sweet baby boy Rocket in live in person, and that's all I'm saying about that.
Did you guys hear that? I'm scared. I don't know what was that, guys, and I didn't do that. I'm scared.
So we've been planning our outfits for months and months, and I decided on going in a full black outfit because that's just what I'm most comfortable in. But I did just want to add like a splash of colour, or like a big bit of colour, and I didn't know how to do that. And then I was like, oh, it'd be really cool if I could make it into a YouTube series, doing whatever project I plan on doing. Yeah. So anyway, I had this idea months and months ago about having one colourful statement piece, but I wasn't sure what. And then lo and behold, I was scrolling on TikTok and I found this. She's one of my favourite crochet creators ever. Her designs are so like not me in a sense of colour, but me in a sense of style. And I just love her. She's just like, I don't know what to call it. It's like boho, but it's just colourful boho, just amazingness. I love it. It's amazing. So I saw this hat, and then she was making like commissions. So there was this one which was just strictly like groovy retro floral granny squares, and then there was this one which was just a mixture of whatever granny squares you liked, and this is the one that I really want to do. So I was definitely going to do that. Now, I started recording this the other day and I did do the intro in my bedroom, but I was just like, no, I miss this background. I like stealing my sister's bedroom for this. So I was like, I'll do the intro now, but I'll do all the planning and stuff then, so I could like kickstart it. So after I've just spoken about a couple more things, I am going to be showing you the actual design process and what I was thinking. I basically just did like a little chart, counted up how many big, medium and half granny squares that I would need, and then got to planning the designs. Those designs could probably change because I do plan on doing this as like a 3-part series. So if you have any ideas for granny squares that I haven't mentioned in this video, please comment down below. Any that you would like to see, any that you think I would absolutely rock, anything that you associate with me, and just give me some more ideas because I still now have like 8 granny squares, 12 granny squares. Is quite a few granny squares to still think of what ideas, what designs to put on them. So please let me know. One of the first things that I needed was obviously a cowboy hat. So I found one, and quite frankly, it's not perfect. Like, it's not perfect because it has like a bit of detailing on, but I'll just show you. This is like £8 from Amazon, on Amazon Prime, and it was also very important that I had these little bits. Yeah, so this is on it, but it does have a piece of like fabric here that I can just tear away. I'm pretty sure these aren't stapled in, which I was kind of worried about as well, because I didn't want loads of holes being in my hat. But yeah, I think they're just like glued onto the ribbon, so I can just take this off. And then there's 2 holes here, which I am going to take these out and replace it with crocheted strings instead, just because I think that'd look better. But I am going to keep this little thing, I think, because it is actually quite handy for tightening and loosening it up. It doesn't sit perfectly, but obviously we're just going to be wearing these for the photos, and when we're walking around we're not going to actually wear them in the concert because obviously it'll obstruct the people behind. So we're going to be wearing them on us backs, so it'll look fine if it's on my back. But so it's like kind of small. Obviously when I have my fringe and everything properly done did, I'm still deciding on whether to go for a full fringe for the concert. It'll look a lot better. But yeah, but the next clips that you are about to see are from the other day when I was planning, and then me also partially making the smiley face granny square and the evil eye granny square. Spoiler alert, those are the 2 granny squares that I started off with and that I'm definitely going to do. I think I'm going to try and do maybe like 4 granny squares per video. Or I was thinking that like half the granny squares in one video, the other half in the other, and then stitching it together and reveal, and then I'll be doing a vlog of the driver era. If you do like that layout, let me know. If you would prefer me to do just like 4 granny squares per video and having like 3 or 4 videos as prep, and then the last one being the reveal and the vlog, then please let me know. But yeah, without further ado, let's get into it, my darlings. I miss saying that. Bye. Okay, so this is what I'm looking at. These are obviously the ones that I showed you in the intro. I definitely want to try and do the smiley face. I think that'll be the easiest one. A circle granny square and then surface crocheting the smiley face. I definitely want to do the swirl, the yin yang. I definitely want to do the evil eye, 100%. Love heart would be really, really cute. I've done love heart crochet before. Yeah, I definitely think it's gonna look like this. This is what I'm aiming for. Yeah, let's have a look. So I definitely think up front and centre I want the smiley face. The smiley face one is like my favourite, and I just think that'll look the cutest at the front. I think on the top I want the Turkish eye, like the evil eye. So these are the largest squares, so I think these ones will be the best. Do I do the swirl? And then on this side, I think I'll just do checkered. Okay, yeah, I like that. Okay. Then these little ones. This one here, I want to do the half daisy. Okay, these are all the granny squares that I have saved. I'd love to do a moon one. I'll just put them in random places and then I'll just figure out where I want them afterwards. So if that one's circular, oh, I could do a skull. maybe do the skull one. Moon. If I've got a moon there, then I'll put a sunshine there because that's like me and Maya. What are you talking about right now? And eating his arse. Yeah, so... What?! Anyway, my cowboy hat arrived. My cowboy hat arrived. And... I did this little test of granny square last night of the smiley face one. I did 2, so this was the original one and I did it with a 5.5 hook, and then that was too big and loose, so I did it with a 4.5. So then I think that'll be the right size because when the stitching is there, it'll sit around that. Oh my God, but this... Shut up. Hello! And then yeah, I'm going to stitch it all together and that. Cool. I just need to surface crochet the eyes and the mouth. And then we'll move on to the next one, which I think I'm going to try and do the evil eye next. Okay, so I've literally just finished work. I have a day off tomorrow, so I plan on getting quite a lot of crochet done. I think I finished the evil eye granny square last night, but I can't remember. I finished the smiley face one, and next I think I'm going to try and do the spiral one or the checkered one, I'm not too sure. But yeah, I'm just waiting to be picked up. Look at my Beetlejuice nails. Beetlejuice. I'm also going to redo the intro tomorrow as well because I hate the way that I looked in the first one. So yeah, but yeah, kind of freaking out because it's like 2 or 3 weeks away, but I feel like I think there's more time than there is because I literally need to figure out how to get it onto the hat. I could just buy the pattern, but when I tell you it's literally 5 days after payday and I am down to my bare minimum, I mean it wholeheartedly. Oh my God. The weather is genuinely like ha 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 ha, so I think I might watch Twilight tonight. I watched Beetlejuice last night, I watched American Psycho the night before. I might start watching the Twilights, so yeah, I don't know how or when I'll update you, but I will update you soon. Bye bye.
You lie! You lie! You're lying! Liar! Lies! The filthy earth boy lies! He lies! Lies! I was lying! You're lying!